Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Today, I'm taking you on a virtual tour of the stunning beaches of Santorini, Greece. If you're planning a trip to Greece or simply want to experience the beauty of Santorini from the comfort of your own home, then you've come to the right place. But before we start, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more travel content. And if you have any questions or comments about the tour, be sure to leave them in the comment section below. Perissa Beach is also lined with beach bars and restaurants, so you can grab a bite to eat or a drink while soaking up the sun. Moving on, we'll be visiting Kamari Beach, which is another popular spot on the island. The beach is covered in black pebbles and is backed by a long promenade filled with shops, cafes, and restaurants. The water is crystal clear, and you can rent sunbeds and umbrellas for a small fee.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts from my walks, subscribe my Patreon. Link below.
Our final stop on this tour is the stunning White Beach, located near the village of Akrotiri. The beach is only accessible by boat or by foot, but the journey is well worth it. The beach is covered in white pebbles and is surrounded by towering white cliffs, which makes for a truly magical experience. And that's it for our tour of the beautiful beaches of Santorini. I hope you enjoyed the journey and that it has inspired you to visit this stunning island in person. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more travel content. And as always, leave any questions or comments in the comment section below.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.